Hello guys, how are you? Hope everyone's doing fine. I'm back with this video. It's been a short while since I've done one, and that's mainly because I've been building client build after client build after client. Thank you everyone who's reached out to me to do your custom computers, water cooled, modded, or straight builds, whatever. Thank you very much. I always appreciate the business that you guys bring over. Now, I also reached 10,000 follows or likes on my Facebook page, so I'm doing a small giveaway. It's not much, but I hope this helps whoever wins this. It's an anti-sag bracket. It's originally from Bixby, but I removed their logo and replaced it with mine, because why not? All you need to do is subscribe, leave a like or a comment, then you'll be in for the giveaway. Now, I'll be posting winner announcement will be posted on my YouTube, or this is the YouTube page. Winner announcement will be on my Facebook page, so make sure that you like my page as well. It's with the same name, MadMods PC Modding. I said client builds earlier, right? So lately I've been doing a lot, and right now it's big help that I'm able to contact the store and have the parts delivered over to me. So thank you, PC Hub. Talking about PC Hub right there, because yeah, I don't want to go outside. I don't want you guys to go outside as well buying your PC parts, especially now. I've seen the lines are crazy in Gilmore, so it's better that way. Just have it ordered, delivered, and I'll start building. Now, this video will be highlights or just b-rolls of the finished builds these past few weeks, days, or a month ago. And here goes. Enjoy! And that's it for the highlights. tell me which one of the builds is your favorite. Leave it in the comment section. And yeah, easily hundreds of thousands worth pesos. That's it, not dollars. All right. Again, yeah, don't forget to join the giveaway. This is also worth 1,500 pesos. 1.5 sa Tagalog, in Filipino, I mean. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, share this video. Keep safe, everyone. See you next time. Peace.